It's day 22. Do you guys remember we started with 3 ounces of slime? Oh, since then, we have added foam beans, hair beads, sequins, rubber bands. We've added rice and sand and diamonds and confetti. We have added a lot to this guy, and he is getting bigger. But today, we're adding, ooh, can you guess by the sound? Legos. Put those Legos in, build it up. Thank you so much to this amazing follower. Her name is going into the drawing. Every time I choose one of your suggestions, your name goes into the drawing to win a $100 slime package from us with our slimes, our fidgets, all that good stuff coming right to you. So what are you waiting for? Leave a comment. And happy day 22, guys.